Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lakara Repis, and in today's tutorial I will be taking you guys through search strategies. That is just an introduction to search strategies. I will be able to define what search strategy is and then go through the components of search strategies. So to begin with, what is search strategy? Now, search strategy is simply a plan or method used to systematically find relevant information on a particular topic or research question. And then we also have the components of search strategies. Now, the components of search strategy include: number one, we have identification of key concepts. Now here one has to identify the essential idea that your research focuses on. Yes, and then the second one is selection of search items. Now this is simply you have to choose appropriate keywords, phrases or synonyms related to each key concept. And then the third one is the Boolean operators. Now you have to use the operators, like for example and, or, and not, to combine or exclude terms. The fourth one is truncations and wildcards. Now this is the use of the symbols like asterisk or a question mark to include word variations or alternate spellings. And then the fifth one is phrase searching. Now phrase searching is simply to enclose items in double quotation marks, and this is used to search for exact phrases. And then the sixth one is filters and limits. Now filters and limits simply help a person to focus on the most relevant and specific information. And then database selection, like for example different databases specialize on specific fields, so selecting the right database, the right one, is crucial for finding quality information. For example, we have the ebooks, we have the Google Scholars. Those are examples of information sources like databases. And then the last one is iterative process. Now we know that research is rarely linear, so one has to modify such items or criteria to help uncover more relevant and diverse results. Yes, so you have to go through, you have to make sure that your search is more specific so that you can easily get the exact thing you want. And then in conclusion, we should know that by systematically applying these components, researchers can create a focused and efficient search strategy. Now for more videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share my work. And if you want to know more about the components of search strategies, for example, we have the Boolean operators, the truncations and wildcards, and phrase searching, please watch my previous videos where I have talked about these operators, and also where I've talked about these operators.